So I'm doing a little experiment. I'm using my mom's Glynis's waffle and pancake mix, and I'm gonna make some waffle muffins. Instead of using heavy whipping cream, I used Greek yogurt. Okay, so the blueberries exploded. However, these look really good. I'm gonna leave them in there for like 1 more minute. The only thing I'd do differently next time is to make more so I could fill in these last 3 little muffin holes. I didn't make enough mix. Okay, so I need you guys to see just how light, fluffy, and spongy these are. That is a good consistency. Experimental success! Now I'm gonna open this. Oh. Let's see, I'm working with one hand here. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is delicious. Woo! Okay, let's try the other one. I'm not very coordinated when I'm only using one hand. Oh yeah, look at that. Really spongy, really light, moist. It's delicious. Glynis's waffle and pancake.